Unraveling the mystery of price slashes. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to unravel the mystery of a very common phrase in English, price slashes. Whether you're shopping online or browsing through stores, this term is everywhere during sales. So, let's dive into what it means and how you can use it in your everyday English. Price slashes refers to significant reductions in the prices of products or services. The word slash in this context means to reduce or cut. Imagine a price tag being physically slashed with a pen, marking down the price. This visual helps understand that the prices are being significantly lowered. To better grasp this term, let's look at some examples. 1. Holiday sales. Our store offers huge price slashes during the Christmas season. 2. Online shopping deals. Check out the incredible price slashes during the Black Friday sale. 3. Clearance sections. We have price slashes on all our clearance items. Everything must go. In each of these examples, price slashes indicate attractive discounts, making products more affordable. You can use price slashes in various ways when speaking English. Here are some examples. Describing sales. I bought this jacket at a great deal thanks to the price slashes at the mall. Recommending shops. If you're looking for good deals, visit that shop. They often have significant price slashes. And that's a wrap on price slashes. Remember, this term is your key to discussing discounts and sales in English. We hope this video has been helpful, and you feel more confident using this phrase in your conversations. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.